How to unblock someone on Facebook. So if you want to unblock someone on Facebook, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook, now you just need to go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Scroll down, go for settings and privacy. Tap on the settings option. Under settings, if you scroll down, you will have an option of privacy and safety. So simply scroll down, and here you will have blocking option, right? So tap on the blocking, and under blocking, if you have blocked someone, then you will have all of the block list right here. So I have not blocked someone yet. So for example, I'll be blocking someone. So now for example, I have this person on my block list, right? So if you want to unblock someone on your Facebook, then you just need to simply tap on unblock, which will be on the right side of that person's account. So tap on unblock and then tap on unblock again. Once you tap on unblock, that person will be removed from your block list. So that's how you can unblock someone on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.